Okay, everybody. How we doing? Chuck with Lake to Lake. Chuck Lawrence with Lake to Lake, and today we're going to show you a couple other items we bought for our camper. One of them is our bed gets so heavy, the storage underneath the bed, my wife can't lift it up. So I got a couple struts, heavier duty struts to make it easier for her to lift up and down the bed. Again, it's Chuck with Lake to Lake, and let's see what we got going. Okay, don't you just love the way they ship this stuff from Amazon now? Yeah, sometimes they don't even rewrap it. We got some brackets. If I need to replace the brackets, hopefully these will just snap right in and I won't have to replace the brackets, but you never know. Except I can already, well, and then I hear these AKEA gas spring struts, do not open, do not heat, blah, blah, blah. And I thought these don't give a pound. Oh, here they are. This package. We are all heroes. This doesn't say what the poundage is. Or maybe it does. 67 pound, 300N gas struts. Spring shock lifts for an RV made in China. So anyway, we're going to put these on here in a little bit and see how it works. And hopefully, it just, you know, as you get a little bit older, it's just getting harder and harder to pick that bed up, especially for my wife to get underneath the end storage. So hopefully, this will take care of it. Okay, we're off to the RV and we're going to replace the shocks. Okay, we'll see how this goes. That one came off pretty easy. I guess I'm going to have to get something to hold that up. Okay. That was pretty simple. Boy, a lot easier to put them on than it was to get them off. I think that's going to work. Now I just got to get the other one done. Boy, once you figure out how to do it, they come off really easy. Believe me that. Okay. All right, stays up real easy. Goes down pretty easy. Oh, I'm gonna have it made, guys. She's gonna be happy. That's all that matters. Haha. Well, that gets the struts put on. That gets the struts put on. It was not nearly as difficult as I've seen other videos do it. The little secret is they come off real easy. Or to get them off, you have to take a little pair of pliers and just take that little snap ring and get it off just a little bit, not very much. And then they just snap right on. They're very easy to get, much easier to get on than they are to get off. Anyway, thanks everybody. And please, if you like, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, like the lake, I sure would appreciate it. I'm retired and trying to generate a little bit of income from one of my hobbies. And my wife's going to retire in the next few months, and then we're going to hit the road and hopefully get you a bunch of videos from places around the country. Again, thanks everybody. You all take care. Bye-bye.